Can you cut off part of an iris tuber with a knife to thin out your plants without digging up the whole plant? And this is from Jim. So he wants to cut it off with a knife to thin it out without digging up the whole plant. Can you do that?
Yes, you
Okay,
can.
You can, okay.
Yes. If you're not concerned with trying to save what you've cut off and put it somewhere else, if all you want to do is thin, and one of the reasons you may want to thin your irises is they will grow close together and crowd each other, and they won't bloom. So if you find that your iris, if they're in full sun, they need full sun. If they're in full sun, but they're not blooming, they're probably too crowded. And so you can either divide them, dig them all up and divide them, but that's a whole lot of work. So if you don't, if you don't want to do that and you're not real concerned about losing one here or there or whatever because they're crowded, then yes, you can take a long sharp knife and go in there and thin them out that way.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.